Update. Hey, everybody. So let's think back a little bit, okay? Back in January and February, when the market was tanking and everybody was in a panic and saying there was going to be a crash, who was the one who kept saying, stay calm, buy, don't lose your cool? That was me, okay? On January 14th, I posted up a video here, and also I posted up on my blog and other places that we had seen the bottom in oil. Now, it's true oil went a few percentage lower after that, and it made like a double bottom, but it was very close to the lows when you look at it in perspective from where we peaked out in September 2014. That was like a 75% decline. I was buying right around $30. And I mentioned at the time it was a combination of things. Fiscal stimulus in the United States, the flows, which is what I talk about all the time, and also the fact that the world's largest oil consumer, China, was putting a domestic floor under oil prices. And I talked about how price setting by large market players, consumers or producers, in this case it was China, would have an impact on the oil price. We haven't even had a production cut agreement yet, and we're back over $40. And if we have a real production cut, it's going to go much higher. So who called that? That was me. Who said to buy gold last year when, as soon as the Fed raises rates for the first time in 9 years, gold literally turned right at that moment after the Fed raised rates? And I continue to say that rate hikes are coming. I know this perspective has been kind of discounted a little bit now, but I'm saying they're going to happen, okay? I've continued to stay bullish based on these flows. So as you can see, all of these things, all of these four, and by the way, who said last week, after saying that the dollar was going to fall coming into 2016, and it has. Who said last week to buy dollar yen because now they're doing a fiscal stimulus? They're front loading that public works spending in the first half of 2016. Yen is up, dollar yen up above 109. Who said that? Okay. All of these things come from an understanding of MMT. All of these things come from an understanding of flows, which is what I focus on. There are a number of things that I've offered to you guys in addition to these free videos. But I have my video course on understanding the daily treasury statement. If you want to learn how to analyze this stuff yourself, I told you, it's out there on my website, pitbulleconomics.com. Just click on the tab that says courses. All right. If you don't want to analyze it, but you want to get my report every week, MMT Trader, which has all this stuff broken down for you, 8 pages of very, very detailed analysis, pitbulleconomics.com, and click on the tab that says products. But as you can see, there's nobody else out there who does this stuff, okay? They're all looking at economic data. That stuff's old, man. That's like 30 days old at the earliest. A lot of it's like from a quarter, 3 months ago, okay? So, nobody does this stuff. No, believe me, nobody does this stuff. I'm an economist. I've been on Wall Street for 40 years. I've been a member of 4 exchanges. I'm a trader. Nobody. I've been on TV. I was on TV for 20 years talking to some of the most quote unquote, important people. Not. Nobody knows this stuff. Nobody follows this stuff. Now, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to just stay in your world, and your little Austrian world and troll people? Or do you want to learn about this stuff? Do you want to educate yourself? Get informed. Understand how these things work? You can. It's up to you. Now, I'm going to keep posting these videos. By the way, I don't see anything right now to impede, this market rally, an improving situation in the economy. By the way, the deficit is growing again. Who's saying that? Nobody. I have that information before anybody, even before the government puts it out, even before the government knows. I put it out, and I show you how to get that too. Anyway, that's my video for today, so enjoy. Bye-bye.